Hey G-Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a smart lock. You can see the one that we got right here from this band right here. So you see right here we do have the actual keypad option on here, or you can use the key option as well. You can see inside right here the probably got some of the specs and features that's on here, and here is some more information as well on the side. But I should open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so first thing we see inside right here, the product got a user manual to teach you guys how to install the product. And next to right here, the product got this accessory right here. Let's open up to see what's included inside. So inside they do provide a user manual right here as well. And it also provides us this accessory as well to help you guys drill it onto your door. And then right underneath that, you can see we do have the actual product. So let's take it all out. Alright, so once you take out the product, this actually looks right here. If we turn in the back part right here, this actually looks at the back. So you see in the bottom of the box, there is some more stuff. So let's take it out. So basically in this small box right here, you can see they tell you guys what's included in each one of these boxes right here. So when you guys open up, that's what it looks like inside. So let's take it out. So right here you can see we do have the option for you guys to actually set it up inside the door. And you basically want to connect the product through right here. And then right here we do have the screws and the mounting accessories. And then for the other box right here, they provide you guys 2 keys right here. And also 2 of these IC cards as well. So you definitely use that option to actually open the door if you guys want to. So that way you can get like a keyless experience. And that is basically everything that's included in the package right here. Let me actually show you guys a close-up view of what the product looks like for the door option. Alright, so this is basically what the back part looks right here for this one right here. So you probably want to insert this to the other side of the product. And then the front part right here is what it actually looks like. So you see we do have the touch panel right here. And then we do have the key option on here as well. And if you guys want to use the IC card option, you basically want to just tap it right here. Whereas for the other side of the actual doorknob right here, you can see this actually looks like the back part. And this actually looks like the front part. So basically want to turn this option right here to unlock it or lock it. And we guys take this part out right here. This actually looks like in the back part right here. So depending on how you guys set up the door, you basically want to turn this knob right here. So that way it actually works for left or right. And basically the only tool there's indeed, once you guys finish drilling onto the door, is only a screwdriver. That's really all you guys need to actually set it up. And the cool thing about the product here is the fact that they do mention how it's actually water resistant or waterproof. So if you guys get water on here, it's completely fine. And I believe for this product here actually requires 2 AA batteries. They probably need to put inside. So I'm actually unscrew it first to show you how the inside looks like. Alright, so you basically want to take off all these screws in the back. Alright, so once you guys take out all the screws, you basically want to open it up. You can see that is basically what the inside looks like. So it does require 4 AA batteries. If you see right here, they actually label R and L, so that way there's no which side is which. So once you guys put the battery inside, you guys can close back up. Alright, so we got the batteries in. Alright, so once we got that in, you guys can work on the other side. So basically what I'm going to do is unscrew this part here, so that way you can take this part out. Alright, so once you guys unscrew it, you guys can take it out. And then basically for this middle part right here, you guys want to turn it so that way it's vertical and not horizontal. And you basically want to insert the product through right here. So just like that. And obviously when you guys set this up, you guys want to put it onto the door. But for this test, I just want to show you guys what it actually looks like from the inside. So once you guys finish this part here, you guys want to put this part right here. So once you guys have this part set right here, you basically want to use the screws and screw it on. So basically the screw you guys want to use to actually screw it in together are these 2 long screws right here. So I'm actually set it up to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so you basically want to put it in just like that. So I'm actually screw it in. Alright, so we're all set. So once you guys set up this part right here, you want to double check to make sure it works. So you basically want to turn this option right here. And we see how it comes out. So it definitely does work. So now we can continue to the next step. So basically for the next step right here, you guys want to adjust this part right here and also this part as well. So once you guys take out the cover, you want to adjust it left or right. So depending on how you guys set it up, you want to adjust that on here. So for this test, I am using the left handle option. So I want to turn on L. So once you guys finish setting that up, you guys want to put this inside. So basically want to put it inside right here, but you do want to connect this part right here inside. So I'm actually connected to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so once you guys got connected, this actually looks right here. So basically want to put this part together like this. But just want to make sure you do not damage the cable. So I'm actually set this up to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so basically want to clip it in. So once you guys have it all set up, you basically want to screw the side right here. You guys also want to screw in the inside right here as well, using the screw that they provide for you guys. And then once you guys do all of that, you basically want to put the last battery inside and definitely start using it. And that is obviously once you guys put on the cover as well. But let's put on the battery first. And let's put it on the cover. Alright, so once we set everything up, this actually looks right here. So let's touch right here. It definitely turns on the keypad on here. So now you guys can definitely start using everything on here and turn the key option, the IC card or the keypad on here as well. And obviously, if you guys want to use the keypad option and also the IC card option as well, you do need to download the app. So I'm actually download the app to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so this is basically the app you guys want to use for the device. So I'm actually open it up. So once you guys finish download the app, it does tell you guys to register for an account. So I'm actually do that as well. Alright, so we're all done. We can start connecting the device. So I ask you guys to select the lock you guys are setting up. So in this case, we're using the door lock. And tell you guys to touch anything on the actual product to actually activate it. So once we do that, it does find the lock on here. So we can definitely start connecting it. If you guys hear that beep, that means connected. Alright, so once you guys finish download the app, this structure looks right here. And you see, you do have a lot of different options on here. You do have the unlock and lock option right here. So that unlocks it. And basically the product actually has like the automatic lock option once you guys unlock it. So first thing I want to do is generate a passcode on here first. Alright, so I just created like a random passcode on here. Let me actually bring the camera over to show you guys how it works and what actually works. And we'll also test out like the IC card and the key option as well. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the product. Let's try the passcode and see what actually works. Alright, so see it definitely does work. Now I'm actually connect the IC card option to show you guys how that works as well. So you basically want to click on card right here. It'll tell you guys to add a card. Put a random name on here. Alright. So you basically want to get one of these cards right here and just tap it. And it's all set. So we open up the lock. If we just tap it on here. So see it definitely does work if you guys want to use the IC card option. And then last but not least, let's test out the key option on here as well. So we use the key option right here. That basically unlocks it. And that locks it. So you see that option definitely does work as well. So really cool how I should give you guys the IC card option, the key option, and also the keypad option as well. But this is basically what the product looks like and how to actually install it. Very easy and very simple. Shouldn't take that long. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice and quick test, the product definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. And you see everything on the product, it definitely does work. So the passcode option, the IC card option, and also the key option as well. And it's actually really cool how she has like the automatic lock option. Once you guys unlock it, it turns off by itself. So that way, if you guys ever forget to turn it off, you definitely have the option available for you guys here. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Now to get unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality smart door lock that has all the different features and specs that's on here, such as the passcode option, the IC card option, the E-key option, and also a key option as well. If you guys want to use that option, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.